Today, we're going to build the Tantive 4 using 3 LEGO pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
I just kind of picked up this 1L bar with 2 studs on side and thought, you know, this thing almost looks like the Tantive 4 all by itself without any modification. I mean, the only thing that's really missing here is the back is more rectangular to hold those 8 engines. So all I'm going to do is take this bar piece and a 1x1 plate piece and put that plate on the back of our bar to kind of create a rectangular square looking engine. And then when we have 1 stud. So instead of having like 8 engines, there's only 1. So to kind of hide that effect, I'm going to get a 1x1 round tile piece, translucent orange, and just stick it on the back so it looks like kind of like the glow of the engines is just 1 glow as opposed to 1 engine, because it should be 8 engines with kind of like a glow in the back. But here we have the Tantive 4 using only 3 LEGO pieces.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.